Hi, my name is Ariana, and I'm here to talk to you about the inspiration behind Avant. In order to come up with the idea, we got inspiration from MasterCard's Priceless Planet Coalition initiative. MasterCard offers a feature that enables users to have a positive impact on the planet by allowing them to understand their carbon impact. The idea behind Avant Carbon was to build an app for fashion credit card holders. Our app is useful because we offer sustainability tips within the fashion and beauty fields. We're targeting fashionistas because the fashion and beauty industries are some of the biggest contributors with about 10% of global greenhouse gas emissions and consume more energy than aviation and shipping industries. To help aid this problem, our app allows users to have an insight into their carbon emissions contributions due to purchases in the fashion and beauty industry through the use of credit card statements and provides tips to reduce carbon emissions.
The first thing that you see is a login page, and so we're going to go ahead and log in. When you first log in, there's a little bit of instruction just to get you started. So you don't have a card connected, so it's advertising that you connect a card via this little info button up here. So it says click here to manage your cards. So what you want to do is add a card. So we're going to input our card number, expiration date, and CVV code and save. Now let's pretend that I've entered a couple of cards because it basically syncs all of the data from your cards, your different cards, and compiles that data, as we'll see later. But if we want to view a specific card, we can click on the credit card and it'll show the balance as well as the card number and the expiration date. And so now that we have our cards linked and synced, then we can go home and view our carbon footprint. You can view the transaction trends here. The transaction trends are basically the percentage of your transactions over a period of time, about a month, that you have spent on clothes, shoes, makeup products, hair products, skincare products, or other products. If we go back to home and we click the little infographic, it'll give a little bit more instruction. So it instructs you to click on the arcs in the graph to view tips on how to lower your carbon emission. So I'm going to close that and click on this one, which shows clothes. So it says like you're a fashionista, meaning you love to shop for unique and trendy clothing items, but you also care about the planet. 50% of your transactions between your synced credit cards happen to be clothing items. And although you walk around looking amazing 24/7, your largest contribution to carbon emission in the atmosphere happens to be your clothes, according to your credit cards. Here's how you can improve this number. And through machine learning, we would suggest some tips on how to lower your carbon emission, as well as how much it can be lowered by following these tips. And then we can go back. I want to click on another one. Here's shoes. Basically the same thing, and then it gives a couple of tips and the percentage that you can lower your carbon emission by. Makeup products, same thing. And that's pretty much our entire app. Thank you.